I have the Samsung Galaxy A55 and I'll be showing you how to install the missing Samsung calculator. Now most Samsung phones come pre-installed with the default Samsung calculator, and that's what the icon looks like, and you can simply launch it and that's what the calculator looks like. But if for some reason your phone comes without a calculator, then you can go ahead and install it. And there are actually two ways of installing it. The first method is via the Google Play Store. So launch the Play Store and then go to the search function at the top and search Samsung calculator. And you should see the Samsung calculator. It should be available in the Google Play Store, and make sure it's by Samsung Electronics Company Limited. So that's the icon. Just go ahead and install it from there. Alternatively, you can go to the Galaxy Store, search for Samsung calculator, find it there, and you can also install it from here. Now, since I already installed it from the Google Play Store, that's why it's showing that it's been installed and it's telling me to open. So I can either launch it from the Play Store, or I can now find the app icon in the app drawer of my Galaxy A55. And that's basically how to install the missing calculator on your phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.